and then it can get out. And now comes the new part, the clever part. We wanted to find a very intuitive and seamless way to interact with the car, to get the car into the parking spot. And what we are using here is a gesture recognition. So Linda will now checking her arm for activating the gesture recognition and then doing like a waving movement as a trigger for the car to get inside the parking lot. And now you see the car is starting to move. It wants to get into the parking spot with 2 strokes. The first one is backing up, already doing a slight turn, and then do 1 more stroke, driving frontwards into the parking spot. What the car is doing right now, it uses the ultrasound sensors to know where the parking spot in the free space exactly is, and also to align itself perfectly centered inside the parking spot.